For today's video, I will be working on a Northern Electric QSD 2100 panel payphone. This is a very unique payphone. I've never seen one like this. Up on the top, on the hand, where the handset is, on the left and the right side, there is a keyhole for a T-wrench, and this has double locking mechanism, one for the left, one for the right. We will be connecting this up to a coin line and a step-by-step central office. Here is the inside of the payphone. This payphone, the front of it hinges down. However, you can remove the upper housing off of it if you disconnect the chain that is holding it down and unplug the hook switch dial assembly. This payphone is a dial tone first type payphone. Here is the Northern Electric upper lock. Here is the circuit board that I am assuming is a totalizer and an oscillator. The oscillator would produce the single tone or maybe dual tone. I believe this is a single tone with one coil. So when you deposited your nickel, dime, or quarter, the operator would be able to hear a single beep, double beep, or 5 beeps to illustrate the denomination of the coin. This phone has 1973 as its date for all of its components. We have dial tone because the handset is off hook. I would deposit a coin into the coin mechanism. This is a Coinco type coin mechanism. The coin is now into the hopper. If I would have deposited a nickel, this mechanism here would have held the nickel until a second nickel was deposited. Once both nickels are deposited, the coins would then fall into the hopper, operating the trigger switch, allowing you to dial the number. Watch this particular magnet operate when I hang up, as well as the coin relay. This payphone is located at the JKL collection.